Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Supercar Specifics. My name is Jarrett. That's spelled J-A-R-R-E-T-T, like the carrot. It's a gloomy, rainy, cold day. Great province of Ontario and in the big ass city Toronto. So we have something very big planned for today. Hence why I'm willing to be out in this type of weather. So make sure to stretch, get ready for some supercar yoga. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. I do apologize recently for my microphone. I lost the little cover thing on it. And the new microphone that I had gotten broke after one day, so I'm just trying to deal with the warranty off. That soon it will be fixed. This will be video 452, and I cannot believe I have reached that number. It is absolutely mind-blowing, and I truly thank you for all of your support, all of you OG subscribers who have supported me throughout the years. We're never going to give up. We're going to keep going and going and going. And I'm going to keep doing this for you, the subscriber. This is not about me. This channel's never been about me. It's always been about the subscribers. So enjoy the content today. We're off to see something very big. I don't know if I'm going to hide it in the thumbnail or not, so to keep you guys guessing, but it's going to be pretty darn special. I'm a little early. I'm just waiting for my ride. This should be a good one, you guys. Like, share, and subscribe. That like button's so easy to click, so please, if you want to help the channel, hit that like button if you can. Subscribe too, that's a big help. And let's roll the intro, bro. Okay guys, so we've just arrived at Ario's garage. So if you're an OG subscriber, you know this garage well. That's what I went for a ride in for my birthday. So we're about to shoot something pretty special. It's undercover right now, so I'm gonna wait till it gets brought out, so we'll be able to hear it too, which is amazing. Okay guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, cold start on the yellow F50. Okay guys, so we came up to see this yellow F50, one of 7 with the black headlights. This is absolutely incredible. I can't believe, I love F50s. We've seen one in the wild before, but this. I had to come see, huge thank you to Ario and his buddy. Okay, and his buddy Mateo for helping us shoot this today. This is a huge opportunity. You just got this Twilight purple Cullinan. Mateo just got this SL65, but this is unbelievable. I cannot believe what I'm looking at. Say what? Yellow F50, just, there's not many of these in the yellow. So look at the carbon fiber and the V12 manual. You heard the cold start, and then here's the Enzo. Enjoy the content. I don't know if I'm gonna get any content with this because I've already shot it. Oh, also, That would be Ario's one of 2 in Canada, one of 150 Maybach lawn delay. And then he's known as A12 from my channel. That's his SF90, his 300 SL Roadster. This is stunning, wow. Twilight purple, white interior Cullinan, but wow, you guys, yellow F50. Oh, and the 2 LFAs, Carrera GT and Heritage 4 GT, SL65 Brabus, SLR 722, then his Black Series are over here as well, you guys. So SLS Black Series, and then his SL65, and then right back there you can see is one of 5 red from factory 300 SL going. So I'm gonna finish up here, get some shots of the going, and then, okay guys, I don't know what else is gonna be in this video. There might be some car spotting as well. So enjoy the content. Okay guys, so that's the Ferrari F50 box that comes with it. So that's got the hard top in it that goes on top of the roof. But what a setup, like, wow. Still can't believe it. So huge thank you to Ario for this, and Mateo. You guys are legends. From the front. Just like that, it's done. Okay guys, so that's it with the F50 and the rest of Ario's collection. Mateo's new SL63, that thing is so nice. 722, SL65, LFA, but yeah. Okay guys, like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, welcome back to Supercar Specifics. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. It's about 17 degrees Celsius and here in the city of Toronto. I'm here on a Tuesday. Yo, what up, dude? Yo, peace. We already have Rarest. Oh, hey, what's up, dude? As you can see, everybody's out, and it's actually, so yeah, I rarely come out on a Tuesday, but this season I've decided to go savage. It's gonna come as many days as I can, weather permitting, to bring you guys as many videos as possible. So also, I want you guys to bear with me as it's the start of the season, so my camera work's not gonna be like 100%, but it's, you know, I'm working on it, and I'm switching between 2 different lenses, which is not always fun, but I want to bring you guys the best quality content. We'll get back into it, you guys. So it's been crazy already. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please keep the comments positive, and let's get to it, you guys. Bro, my buddy just got this DBX 707. Sick. The Alfa Romeo Brera. Oh. Dude, that thing is so sick. Got a Mach 1 in white. Sorry, it's so loud. What? But that's got exhaust. It was in my last video, but that thing is so nice. I love Mach 1s. Purple Cullinan, I've never seen that spec. factory Rolls-Royce Cullinan black badge. So nice. This old school yellow Carrera. That thing is so nice. What? All right, thanks, man. It's really nice. Look at the lights. It's so sick. Nice. Nardo gray.
And then the Panamera is the one.
And Ario's just coming back. Such a good spec. Grigio Squalo is that spec, you guys.